absolute gale, so we didn't get into it then. So yeah, we're up there now and spraying away. So yeah, she was a bit windy at the shed. The wind was a bit weird. I think the shed acts as a bit of a wind tunnel, to be honest. So I got a bit nervous about doing the paddock I really wanted to do first. It's meant to be windier tomorrow, but I didn't want to drift the neighbours. So I'm going to run out this tank here and then swap back to doing a 60 litre a hectare rate, water rate, and go do that other paddock. Doing the 100 again back in this paddock with the new banks. Even though we've had 100 and something mils and settled them down a bit, it's still pretty rough. So I think, you know, until at least the first crop's off, we're probably just going to keep doing 100 litre water rates in here. Does a little bit of a better spray job, and I break less stuff, so it's not a bad way to go about things. So one of the things I did actually get to do last weekend, instead of spraying, was fix up the spray rig. So you got new spring dampeners there, as you can see, new chain. Hopefully, well, and it has actually taken a fair bit of bounce out of the boom. It's doing a much nicer job. Righto, so it's now about 3 o'clock. Just on my way back to the shed to fill up and go into the second paddock. Ended up busting a nozzle body in there, and I didn't have a screwdriver to undo the hose clamps, which is brilliant. So I had to go back to the shed to get that, and as soon as I went to get that, I figured I may as well top it up so I could finish the paddock. So yeah, we are now done 29 hectares in, I think it's about 3 hours. So anyway, we'll top up. Next paddock we can do it at 60 litres. I don't have to go slow for these new banks, and we can just punch out bulk hectares. It should be good. 40 hectares. Oh, for this old gel. Anyway, we'll roll. So we're actually powering along at about 11 km an hour, which is pretty phenomenal on this old gel. And yeah, covering the hectares, nearly 10 hectares down, which means we have 26 left to go. So going pretty well. And yeah, this paddock is super dirty, super dirty. I'm just going to swap cameras here and you can have a bit of a look down and see just a lot of ryegrass. And as you can hear, that GPS is still annoying the crap out of me. Yes, look at that. Look how dirty that is down there. Stacks and stacks of ryegrass. Bit of volunteer weed, a few black oats and variegated. Just disgusting. Alright, well, we've got the sun just about to go down and I'm just about to turn on the last run for this paddock, so that's good. That's well, most of it done. So yeah, tomorrow it's just the one last little 29 hectare paddock, all back at 100 litres.